Hello guys, I will show you how to fix this black screen problem on Windows 11 operating system. Then I will tell you what are the common reasons for this particular issue. That can be the graphics drivers issue, compatibility issues, incorrect display settings, or it can be the system file corruption. So let's fix this issue. You have to just follow my screen and the problem will be solved. To fix this issue, you have to just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together to open this task manager. If you see the black screen, and then click on Run New Task and type here simply explorer.exe and just click on OK. So it will refresh your screen and you will back to your main desktop. So close all windows, and that's it guys, your problem is solved. Don't forget to like the video and please do check out the pinned comment. Have a nice day.